What's the meaning of air terminal? Air terminal. Air terminal. Air terminal. Air terminal. Air terminal.
An air terminal is a building or a section of a building specifically designed for air travel passengers to arrive at and depart from. Commonly referred to as an airport terminal, it typically contains a number of facilities, such as check-in counters, security checkpoints, boarding gates, and baggage claim areas. The air terminal serves as the gateway to air transportation and is an essential part of the air travel experience. It provides amenities to enhance the passenger's comfort and convenience while facilitating the smooth operation of the airport.